Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to first share, this is an upcoming project that I'm going to be doing a tutorial for Happy Crafter Shop. Guys, you can snatch this die set. Let me grab it. I don't remember the name of it. It is called Pumpkin Sentiments 2025. It is available right now, guys. Almost everything is sold out in the shop. So if you're looking to get this, I would definitely snatch it. Look at how pretty it came out. I love it so much. You get one that says pumpkin patch and you can layer. Look at the stitching detail. Oh my God, so beautiful. And then you get pumpkin spice. So I'm gonna do a tutorial. We're gonna put one together. And then I think I'm gonna be doing like a little box with it. It's gonna be really cute. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. I will hopefully have that very soon. If it's posted before this, I will link it down below. Okay, guys? So and then I went to Dollar Tree today just to get a few little things that I want to share. I have a dry erase board that I need to write on, and I could not find the dry erase markers. So I saw they had the magnetic whiteboard eraser, and I thought that was cool because I'm always losing the pens and the little tips are crap. So I grabbed that. I grabbed this cup for Elijah. This was $7, you guys, but it's a really nice quality cup. Like, I just bought Ava one, and it's not as big, and it was like $15. So I was excited to get this for Elijah. It's got this cute little latch, and they had a lot of really pretty colors. And then I picked up, I'm like, I want to make some pom-poms. So, and I have no idea where my pom-pom maker is. So I went ahead and grabbed this one from Dollar Tree, guys. Check your Dollar Tree if you do not have this. Go to Dollar Tree and grab this because you get 2 different sizes. These are awesome little pom-pom makers. So I grabbed that, and then I grabbed some of the fox fur in black. I just grabbed 2 of those. And then I picked up the yarn for the pom-poms. I wanted to find white as well, and they did not have it. I was super sad. So I'll be making some pink pom-poms. And then I want to try, I love getting these like little juice, zero sugar juice mixes. And some of them are really good. Some of them are crap. This is a new one that I haven't tried. It's called Margaritaville. And it's pina colada drink mix. I love pina colada. So I'm hoping this is going to be good. You guys leave a comment down below if you want to know an update on if it's good. If I say yay or nay. So I grabbed that one. And then I grabbed this. They had acrylic markers. And the pastel. They also had primary. I just grabbed the pastel ones. And I want to try these with you guys. And then I also grabbed this pack of dry erase markers because, like I said, always losing them. All right, let's get a scrap piece of paper and let's try these bad boys out. Dollar Tree has been stepping their game up, and then they also have been raising the prices out to ridiculous prices, you guys. Hey, I had another bag that I wanted to share with you all. You guys know those little canvas, those little bags, cosmetic bags I love to buy. If you watch my channel, I know you guys see me haul tons of them. They raised the prices to $150, you guys. I was so mad about that. And they're cute. They're like furry. They feel like a teddy bear type of material. Okay, so let's see. You probably have to like... Oh, they're ready to go, guys. Yes, look at that color. It's so pretty. Look at the mint. Oh, I wish they had a white one. Oh, no. Dang. Dollar Tree, why you do me like that? I had such high hopes for you. That sucks. I love this color. I wonder if you can refill these. To keep marker fresh, always tighten the cap and store horizontally when not in use. That sucks. Like, why couldn't one of these other colors not work? But still, guys, for $1.25, amazing deal. Oh, I'm super sad about that mint. I'm going to buy another pack just to see if I can get the mint to work. I'm going to have to get my kids a pack of these. These are awesome. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. Super short video. I've been trying to stay out of shops. I haven't been to Dollar Tree forever because I'm ducking and dodging them. I don't want to spend money. But, you know, I took my son to get a bunch of candy, and I had to check out what they had. So that's it for this video. Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget, I'm going to be doing a tutorial using Happy Crafter Shop's, what was it called again? The Pumpkin Sentiments. Yes, the Pumpkin Sentiments. So use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase. Go ahead and place your orders now, today, guys, so that you can get this in and we can play with this. This is a beautiful die set. I love the way the colors came out. So I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I colored this, and then we'll create a box. I'm gonna do a custom made box just for this die set. All right, so I love you guys. I hope you all enjoy your day, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.